Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you how I am using Kajabi communities to manage my network marketing business. Okay, so first of all, if you are not aware about Kajabi, I suggest you to go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi. This is an all-in-one tool to build your entire network marketing business. Even if you are a coach, consultant, affiliate marketer, if you're into any online business, I think Kajabi tool is one place. I mean, it has everything. Okay, so you can get 30 days trial, okay, of this awesome tool. Go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi, go to this link, and you can avail 30 days free trial. Okay, so there is, I mean, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, only and you get 30 days trial, and then later on you can decide whether you want to continue with this or not. Okay, so this is basically all in one solution. You can create unlimited landing pages, you can create your courses, I mean digital products, you can have email automation, there's so many automation, you can accept payments, and there's so many things. Okay, you can have your own website in this tool. So let's go ahead. I'm a Kajabi user, so you can get this clickable link in the video description. Okay, so how I'm using Kajabi community. So basically I'm in network marketing business. If I go to if this is my Kajabi portal. Okay, if I go to products and community, what I've done is I've created a community. Okay, one is courses, another is community. So if I click here on access group, okay, so basically I have created a community called DNA Club community. So right now we have 1722 members in this community. So managing so many people on WhatsApp group is not easy, right? And if I click on go to community, okay, so before that let me show you the dashboard. In the dashboard I can see active users, okay, in last 30 days, and challenges, how many people have joined the challenges, how many new members were added in last 30 days, all these things, statistical data I can see. But let's go to the community. So Kajabi portal, through this we can actually give access of communities. It's just like Facebook group. Okay, Facebook group with this, which is distraction free. In Facebook, there is lots of distraction, right? So in here you can see this is the cover photo, and this is the name of the community I have given, DNA community, your digital home. So here we can see all the people who are part of the community. We can see their name. I can search name of a particular person as well, like this. Okay, I can search the name of the person, and then I can click on the particular person, and I can basically see his profile photo and other stuff. Okay, I can message this person personally, and I can also do a video call, video chat with the person in the community. Okay, now what I have done is I have created multiple circles, or you can call it different post type. Okay, so different post type I have created, like to categorize different type of post. One is DNS support. DNS stands for Digital Network Academy. One is DNS support, where people can actually put their questions. They can ask their questions here. So people are asking questions like this. Then is general discussion, where people can post any kind of stuff, like photos and other stuff, if anything they want to discuss. Then wins, if they want to share their wins, their achievements, so people share their achievements here. Okay, somebody got new customers, somebody got new leads from YouTube. All these wins are categorized into this. And then polls and chats, where people can interact with each other using polls and chats. Okay, like this. So these are the four categories of the post. Then if I click here on challenges, okay, so as an admin I can create multiple challenges here. And like this is one challenge which I have created, which is introduce yourself. So introduce yourself, upload your photo, and share information in this format. So I've asked people to mention in this format, and right now winner is Neha Chalotra. Okay, uh, so so basically, okay, let's get back to challenge. So I have asked people to give their introduction in this format, and the people are doing so. Okay, you can see new people coming in, and they see this challenge, and they actually first they have to accept the challenge, then they have to finish it up. Okay, so when they finish this challenge, they actually get certain points. Okay, they get certain points. Another challenge is this: watch this complete interview from Gan Honda, and I ask people to watch this video on YouTube and then write your 5 learnings. Okay, then people are sharing their learnings here, what they learned from this video, like this. So these are the 2 challenges, and about the point system I'm going to share with you very shortly. Apart from that, we have announcement. Okay, so if I click here as an admin, I can add a new announcement. If I put a title here, okay, major update example. Okay, and I put some description, and if I click on save, so everybody in the community 1722 everybody is going to get a notification. So just imagine, in just one click you can notify all these people in the community, and whenever they open the community they will see the announcement, the latest announcement at the top. So whenever, I mean, this is always at the top, right? So this is a great way to keep everybody updated in the community, and you can initiate challenges, you can initiate conversation between people, and also meetups. So in the meetup I can click here on, like here I click on plus button meetup, and I can add a particular event, like say for example DNA inner circle call, and the location, suppose I want to create Zoom meeting. Okay, and here I can put the meeting link. Here I can put a clickable meeting link over here. Okay, and then I can put a photo, okay, a poster, and then the timings, and then finally I put up the description, and in the description also I can put the um, link of the clickable link of the Zoom meeting. And then if I click on save, so it will be, again, people are going to be notified about this new meetup coming up, and also if they go to meetup section they can see all the upcoming meetups planned for the community. Okay, apart from that we also have direct messages, just like in Instagram and Facebook you have Facebook Messenger. Now the good thing about Kajabi communities is that it is a distraction free environment. This is only, I mean, a person who is opening Kajabi community app, I mean, Kajabi gives this mobile app as well. On Android or iOS you can install mobile app Kajabi community, and people, when they open this, they are always into a zone where they are discussing with other community members who have the same mindset, who have the same kind of thought process, right? So it is a great way to create a very productive culture and environment, so that everybody can help each other. Okay, so that's the thing. Apart from that, I also, if I click on feed, here in feed I can directly message something if I want to post something. So uh, im- I can, if I want to add a file, I can add a file, suppose. Okay, here is the document um, discussed in meeting, suppose I say this, and here I can upload a PDF file, and this PDF file people can click, they can download PDF file from here. I can also add an audio. Okay, if I want to add an audio, then I can add an audio from here, and also I can schedule the post for the later date. As an admin I can schedule, like on 14th I want to schedule it as per Asian time. So if I schedule it, so it will automatically go on that particular date and time. So this is a, I mean, these are the basic things. And now apart from that, if I go to leaderboard, now here is the magic. So based on the engagement, because community is good only when there is a good engagement, right? It is meaningful, right? So if I click on monthly, so in monthly we can see all the people who are engaging in each other's post, and here is the point system. Automatically Kajabi calculates points. If they complete a challenge they get 100 point. If their post is inspiring, I mean, if somebody like a post, if your post somebody likes, okay, then you get 1 point. If you comment on the other people post, then you get 3 point. Okay, and then you react to somebody's post, you get 1 point. If you participate in the vote, so which means in every participation, in every engagement, you're getting some points, and it is always good to see your photo, your name at the top. Okay, so this is how it shows the name of the people who are actively participating in this month, and also all time who is at the top. So everybody wants to see themselves at the top, right? So you can gamify this, you can give them some award based on the monthly engagement or weekly engagement. So this way it is a good way to gamify the community and the engagement. So this is a quick demo about Kajabi communities, and I strongly suggest you to use this awesome tool, because you get access to, you can actually do email marketing, unlimited landing pages you can create unlimited funnels, you can actually have one website also, you can create a website, email automation. Okay, there's so many things, right? Apart from that, community as well, and also you can upload a course, a video course. Okay, you can also upload a podcast. If you see, I have a podcast as well. I have uploaded a podcast, and all the audio which I upload here, okay, it directly goes to Spotify. And if you go to Spotify, search for Tarun Agarwal, So you will find my my channel on Spotify like this. So all these episodes, these audio files I have uploaded in Kajabi, and it automatically syncs to Spotify and Apple Podcast and Google Podcast. Okay, so all these things I'm doing using Kajabi tool. So I strongly suggest you to go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi and get at least 30 days trial, free trial, 30 days, and just understand what is this tool. Okay, and later on you can decide after 30 days if you want to go it with the pricing, whatever pricing it has. I think right now it has four pricings monthly. If you go, one is $69 per month, then $149 per month, 199. I'm currently into $199 per month plan, but you can start with 69. Okay, first go it with 30 days trial, and then later on you can change your plan. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, you can put in the comment box below. That's a quick demo about Kajabi communities. Thank you.